Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Every day in Jakarta, Indonesia, a crew of expert and enthusiastic operators tow large barges through the Java Sea to and from the port. Their work begins in the port, where the tugboat captain collaborates closely with the crew and the barge crew to ensure a safe approach, maintain an appropriate speed, and avoid collisions or interference from other vessels. Additionally, the crew ensures the tugboat is equipped with side tires, which acts as protective buffers to absorb impact and prevent damage when it comes into contact with the barge or other vessels. With their powerful 78-foot-long tugboat, the team is preparing to carry out a cable exchange that will allow them to connect with the barge they will tow. Equipped with an 812-foot chain cable, 3 mooring lines of 360.8 feet each, and a tow cable with a braking load of 98 kilonewtons, the tugboat allows the crew to perform towing tasks successfully. Thanks to their durability and resistance, the ropes used in towing are made of high-strength polyester and high-modulus polyethylene, which guarantees reliability in the most challenging maritime conditions of the Java Sea. Tugboats are of several types: harbor tugboats for maneuverability in ports, ocean tugboats for open water operations, and coastal tugboats that balance strength and agility. Likewise, barges can be self-propelled or not. In both cases, qualified crews are required to tow them safely. During towing operations, depending on the particularities of the barge and the surrounding conditions, the tugboat can pull from the bow and push directly with the hull or dock alongside the ship, working simultaneously in pairs. The compact size of the tugboat does not prevent it from mobilizing large and heavy barges, as it offers a large bollard pull of 12 tons, making it a powerful machine in the challenging waters of the Java Sea. With a 360-degree view of the surrounding waters, the wheelhouse, or command center of the tugboat, offers the captain a wide perspective of what is happening during navigation. The wheelhouse offers advanced navigation tools, such as radar, GPS, an automatic identification system, and an electronic chart display information system, which allow the captain to monitor every aspect of the operation. In the engine room, which is designed for both safety and functionality, lies the heart of the tugboat, a Mitsubishi marine engine that produces 600 horsepower to propel the vessel. To ensure optimal performance, the chief engineer and his team conduct inspections and maintenance tasks. Additionally, a generator guarantees the stability and efficiency of the electrical systems, which are essential for optimal navigation of the tugboat and the performance of its communications. That is why engine room personnel actively monitor and maintain the generator. Above the loading line are the crew accommodations, which guarantee their protection from unpredictable sea conditions during rest hours. Officers are provided with individual cabins of at least 80.7 square feet, and the rest of the crew share cabins designed to provide 48.4 square feet per person, ensuring the comfort and rest of the entire crew. Rooms are equipped with beds, desks, and storage spaces. Fire-resistant materials line the stairwells and hallways, while safety equipment like helmets, life jackets, and smoke detectors are always within reach. Advanced insulation minimizes noise and vibration from the engine room, and efficient air conditioning maintains a comfortable environment, even in Jakarta's tropical heat. Communication is essential, so the wheelhouse has a storage unit with compartments labeled with NATO phonetic alphabet. Signal flags for visual communication are placed in these compartments when the radio fails or must remain silent. On the other hand, navigation technology offers precision during maneuvers. The tugboat features a code and echo sounder that measures the depth of the water, ensuring the tug avoids running aground. At the same time, a Furuno GP39 GPS navigator provides real-time information on the vessel's position, course, and speed. Additionally, a traditional compass serves as a reliable backup and keeps the boat on course in any conditions. After a long and exhausting day at sea or during breaks, the crew makes use of a recreation area where they can relax and enjoy the camaraderie that comes from teamwork. Additionally, the tugboat has an equipped kitchen and dining room where the crew prepares and consumes their food. Emergency exits and backup power systems ensure a rapid response and continuous operation in any crisis. These features, combined with the crew's training and expertise, make this tugboat a reliable and indispensable asset. As the day ends and the tugboat returns to port, its mission accomplished, the crew prepares to face the challenges of a new day aboard the small but powerful vessels that play a crucial role in the safe and efficient navigation of large barges. Hundreds of kilometers from the Java Sea, another skilled crew aboard a hopper barge faces navigation challenges, but this time across the Padma River in Bangladesh. Their river crossing has a single purpose: to extract and unload tons of river sand. Once the crew arrives at the extraction area, the roar of several hopper barges announces the start of the tasks, which are preceded by the preparation and adjustment of the equipment to carry out the suction process and guarantee safe operation. The motor is one of the most important components of the dredging system. It drives the pump, which creates the suction and extracts the sand and water mixture from the riverbed. Once the engine has been started, it is verified that it is working correctly. Additionally, one of the workers activates the pump manually, helping to start the suction process. One of the workers operates a reel, skillfully maneuvering the rope to lower and raise the equipment to and from the riverbed with precision and control. During dredging operations, the ingenuity of the workers is witnessed in the adaptation of natural and basic materials such as ropes, wooden boards, and reed crossbars. These materials are used to support the pipe during the suction process and ensure the structural integrity of the hopper barge. Monitoring dredging is important to guarantee the efficiency and quality of the extractive process, which is why workers closely monitor the output of the sand and water milk as the hopper fills, ensuring quality, efficiency, and continuous flow. Under the intense sun, dredging tasks become very challenging. They demand the physical and mental resistance of the entire team. So working together in a spirit of camaraderie are essential to make them easier and ensure that the crew performs excellent quality work. Workers watch the pressure as the dredging and suctioning unfold, ensuring its steady rhythm powers the river's transformation into sand and slurry. The pressure, which acts as the unseen hand lifting the sand-water mixture from the riverbed and bringing it to the surface, can vary depending on several factors, including the depth of the water, the type of sediment, and the diameter of the pipe. The hopper barge, made of iron, steel, and wood, has a shallow draft design and is capable of containing large volumes of sediment, allowing the crew to respond efficiently to high demands for sand, especially in the construction sector. To ensure that only solid sand remains, prevent overloading, and maintain stability while the barge sails, scupper holes around the hopper barge allow excess water and mud to drain. Crew members prime the pump and pour water into the system to create a vacuum that ensures river sand flows uninterrupted to the barge. Layer by layer, the sand settles as the water drains away, leaving behind a dense, compacted resource ready to be unloaded from the barge's hopper. As the sand is deposited into the hopper, it becomes very compacted, making it difficult to unload later. Therefore, to facilitate this unloading, the team uses the jet pump method, which consists of using high-pressure water jets to break up the compacted layers inside the barge's hopper. Thanks to the use of motor pumps, workers can generate high-pressure water, ensuring efficient and continuous operation during the process of loosening compacted sand. To ensure efficiency and avoid clogging or excessive waste, the equipment carefully controls water pressure and flow. Guided by gravity and pressure, the mixture of sand and water flows smoothly through a network of pipes, reducing manual labor and speeding up the discharge process. This method enables the seamless transfer of sand to the receiving area, where forklifts facilitate the loading of sand onto transport vehicles, keeping operations fast and stable to meet the high demand for sand. With the task completed, the skilled crew of the hopper barge returns along the Padma River, satisfied with their hard work and contribution to the country's urban development. Unlike manual methods of unloading granular material, such as sand from barges and ships to the disposal point in China, the use of powerful conveyor systems efficiently optimizes operations. Depending on the size of the vessel, large bulk carriers can discharge between 50,000 and 400,000 tons of material per ship. For example, a Cape-size vessel is capable of carrying between 150,000 and 400,000 tons of bulk cargo, such as iron ore or coal. The load capacity of sand barges or carriers can range between 1,000 and 25,000 tons of sand. Large load volumes make the conveyor belt an excellent alternative in unloading operations. Some vessels even have their own conveyor belt, with a design capacity of 19,841 tons per hour, a belt width of 8.2 feet, and a power output of 3,000 horsepower. Loading and unloading cargo is a complex task that can take up to 120 hours on larger ships. Using tools such as heavy-duty steel rakes and stiff bristle brooms with long-reach handles, trained personnel facilitate the movement of granular material onto the conveyor belt. This task demands expertise, since there is a risk that the unloaded material will fall on the operator when he is inside the pit. One of the operators uses a pressurized water jet to push granular material through the pit, facilitating its movement to the conveyor belt. In addition, water cleans the pit while the material is unloaded and transported. Docking poles and corrugated sheets are used to guide and control the flow of the granulated material as it is being unloaded from the vessel to the conveyor system, ensuring that the material is directed properly, minimizing spills and scattering, and facilitating a more efficient and controlled unloading process. Due to the risks involved in the activity, including equipment failure or malfunction, dust explosions or respiratory hazards, falls or collisions, and environmental hazards, operators use safety equipment such as gloves, safety boots, dust masks or respirators, safety harnesses, ropes, fire extinguishers, and emergency response equipment. The unloading of massive bulk cargo vessels is an operation that integrates technology, qualified personnel, and rigorous safety protocols. This synergy ensures the efficient and safe transfer of large quantities of essential materials, supporting both domestic industries and global supply chains. From the vast industrial ports of China, where tireless conveyor belts facilitate the unloading of sand and gravel from enormous barges, we now travel to Thailand, where Longtail boats dynamically connect Phuket, the country's largest mainland province, with the rest of the Thai islands. As dawn breaks in Koh Yanoi Island in Phang Nga Bay, a boat owner and his crew prepare for another day. They skillfully navigate the turquoise Andaman Sea, transporting people and cargo.
ครับผมชื่อนายสมนึกใจดีครับชื่อเล่นชื่อว่าวังหมาดอยู่เกาะยาวน้อยจังหวัดพังงาครับผมขับเรือหางยาวก็ตั้งแต่เริ่มอยู่กับเรือก็ตั้งประมาณอายุ 7-8 ขวบครับก็เริ่มไปกับพ่อเริ่มทำงานเรือครับผมวิ่งเรือเช่าก่อนเมื่อก่อนมันไม่มีเรือโดยสารครับผม
In Thailand's coastal culture, longtail boats are more than just a means of transportation. They're a way of life. For generations, these wooden boats have connected island communities, providing transportation to locals and allowing tourists to discover the beauty of hidden shores. Some Nook's longtail boat provides a livelihood for him and his crew. For the communities, boats like his are essential, ensuring fresh supplies, safe passage, and a link to the mainland. Longtail boats, known locally as Rua Hang Yao, are iconic for their narrow wooden hulls, engines mounted on long poles at the rear, and extended propeller shafts, allowing them to maneuver in shallow waters and navigate in tight spaces. However, what makes some Nuke's boat truly unique is its powerful V8 diesel engine, tuned to deliver raw power and reliability on the open sea.
ตั้งแต่เครื่อง4สูบขึ้นเปลี่ยนเป็น6สูบแล้วก็ปัจจุบันนี้ก็วิ่งเรือโดยสารก็ขับ V8 ครับเป็นเครื่องหัวลากญี่ปุ่นครับเครื่องเทรลเลอร์ครับ22ล้อก็ได้จัดซื้อจากกรุงเทพเชียงกงสั่งนำเข้ามาจากประเทศญี่ปุ่นมาวางแท่นแล้วก็ติดตั้งศูนย์ต่อพอใบพัดอะไรมาประกอบเครื่องจนมาเป็นเรือหางยาวส่วนมากเขาจะเอามาวางท้องเครื่องใหญ่
Before transportation activities begin and the first passengers arrive, crew carefully inspect the ship. They check the integrity of the structure, secure the ropes, verify that the engine is in excellent condition, and refuel the ship. Locals and travelers alike gather along the pier, their belongings packed and their destination set. Some Nuke and the crew help them board, securing the cargo and placing each piece carefully to ensure its integrity and maintain the ship's balance. Some Nuke extends the helm and adjusts the throttle as the powerful V8 roars, propelling the boat through the waters ranging in depths of 3.2 feet to 6.5 feet. For some Nuke and his crew, each journey is a testament to Thailand's close connection with the sea and the importance of boats to the region's dynamism. From bustling ports to remote islands, vessels such as hopper barges, ships, and longtails connect communities, facilitate the exchange of knowledge and traditions, drive economies, and sustain daily life on the world's seas and waterways. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.